Hi friend, how are you? In today's video, I will show you how to rank YouTube videos fast. Tips number one, keywords. Keywords are the words what people type into a search engine to find what they are looking for. Example, go to hsupertool.com. It is a free SEO and a digital marketing tool website for free. It helps to find keywords for our video. Let's show you. Go to Google, write hsupertool.com. Okay, go to YouTube, keyword research. Okay, write here YouTube, for example. Search. Now searching keywords related to YouTube. You see, the search volume is 70 million. Difficulty high difficulty. You can export these keywords CSV file or use as hashtag or export or copy this a list of keywords related to YouTube keywords. This is very useful for your as an idea for your content. Tips number two, video title. Video title is your video title can be up to 100 character and include keywords in the title. How review and the tutorials, for examples, how to make a professional picture for social media with a Canva in 2022. This keywords is written 100 characters. Tips number three, YouTube tag. YouTube tag is very important. Let's see YouTube tag. Go to YouTube Studio. Wait a little. You see, tags are here. You can add on your YouTube tag section 500 tags. Keywords makes you rank on Google, but tags helps YouTube videos with YouTube. Add up to 500 character of tags. You can use also TubeBuddy Chrome plugin to view tags used on other people's. TubeBuddy, you can use TubeBuddy to grow YouTube. TubeBuddy Chrome extension. Okay, you see 1 million people are downloaded this TubeBuddy Chrome extension. Add to your Chrome extension. It is very helpful. Tips number 4, video descriptions. Video description, your video description should at least 250 words long. Mention in keywords in descriptions that helps to rank your video. I recommend you always add to your descriptions summary of your video, a call to action. For examples, do you want to them to buy a product? Subscribe to your channels and check out your websites. Resources like free ebooks, guides, toolkits, social media profiles. This is very helpful. Tips number 5, YouTube thumbnail. YouTube thumbnail, if you want to get more views on YouTube videos, there is one tactics you can use: a better thumbnail image. I done a video how to make YouTube thumbnail. You can see this video, very helpful, how to make attractive YouTube thumbnail like this. Hi friend. Okay, before we go to tips number 6, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share my channel. Okay, YouTube captions. I recommend you, if you want to rank your videos, you need a captions. Let's show you. Go to Google, write down sub.com. We will create a video subtitles. Go to YouTube, copy YouTube link, paste your video link here, then download. Wait a little. Click here to download. Then save. Save. Show folder. Okay, you see this is our subtitle for our video. Let's upload to our video. Go to subtitle, edit. Okay, go to here, upload file, continue. Select our file. Let's copy. Wait a little. Then publish. Let's see our video subtitle. You see our video subtitle. Okay.